Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Fivem FPS dropping or lagging. Okay, first open up your menu. So just press the escape button, open up your menu, then come here and click on settings. Now what I need you to do is click on graphics. You see right here, go ahead and click on graphics from this menu, the left panel. And what I need you to do is scroll down. So here you can see how much video memory you actually have in your PC. So if you're seeing this almost all of it being used up, what you need to do, guys, you need to lower your settings, your graphic settings. That's what causing your FPS to drop or lag. So look at all these qualities, okay, for your graphics. Reduce them, reduce all of this, even reflection. Turn all of these to normal, okay, that will help. And this reflection, I want you to turn this off as well, okay. Water quality, you can reduce as well. And also what I need you to tell, important thing, if you have VSync, okay, make sure you enable or disable it, experiment with it. Sometimes that can also cause frame drops, also helps to sync the frame rate with your monitor, according to many users I found on Reddit. That's what issue they were having, but this is what solved it for me though. Anyways, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.